enter Fairfield County, Hocking County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hideaway Hills to 6 miles southwest of Hocking Hills State Park, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Logan, Nelsonville, Bremen, Hocking Hills State Park, Hideaway Hills, Star, Murray City, Gibsonville, Islesboro, Hideaway Hills, Haydenville, Lake Logan State Park, South Bloomingville, Enterprise, Union Furnace, Rockbridge, Oroville and Carbon Hill.